All right. Hi, guys. In today's podcast, we have Mansi Pandey with us. She's placed at Hindustan Coca Cola Beverages. First of all, congratulations, Mansi. That's a huge achievement. Please tell us something about your background and what your profile looks like.
Okay, sure. So, hi Isha, I'm good. So I start from my name is Mansi Pandey, and I've completed my schooling, and my born and brought up city is Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So, yeah, this is all about my schooling. And if I talk about my graduation, so yeah, I have completed my graduation from Banasthali Vidyapeeth, which is in Jaipur, and then after that, in the field of BBA. So I made it my plan very clear that yeah, I have to do my MBA only. So
Hmm.
after that, I have decided that I have to do MBA, and then I have chosen my college IMI Kolkata, which is a great experience, full of memories, everything. Okay, I will talk it about later. So yeah, so it's all about my post graduation. I have in the doing my meanwhile doing my post graduation. I've also done my internship in the field of market research in the Reliance Retail. So yeah, this is all about me. So my
Okay.
profile is
Profile.
look like, yeah, so my profile is like I have done MBA in dual specialization in marketing and finance. So yeah, basically I'm in marketing, my job is in marketing only. So yeah.
Your profile looks quite impressive, I would say. Also, you had made your mind up with a very young age, I think, that you wanted to get into managerial studies.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a good choice, of course. So you did your MBA from IMI Kolkata. You said that you had an awesome experience. Could you list down like top three amazing things that you experienced at IMI Kolkata?
Yeah, sure. Like, first experience which I want to share with you all, and I want everyone should experience. Like, first, the education system of IMI is really very nice, which make me realize like now I'm whenever I'm doing my job on my daily basis, I'm going and I remember some sort of things like my teacher told me like, yeah, Mansi, you have to do this, you have to communicate like this. So these all things which make me remember of IMI Kolkata on daily basis. So one topmost experience was my education regarding marketing, most marketing, because I'm a great love of like marketing. I love marketing. So yeah, whenever I do, like, my profile is team lead in sales field. So yeah, whenever I deal with the team members, I remember what teacher had told me, what sir has told me. So yeah, this is my first experience. And my second experience about all about the fest, about the certificates, about my post, everything. Like, I was the member of the residential affairs committee, which holds the huge responsibility of hostel. So yeah, I was a member, so that was a great memory, like ups and downs. So yeah, my second. And my third is my friendship. So yeah, I really miss my so good friends. I found very good circle. I'm in touch right now also, but yeah, I miss my daily night chats. Yeah.
So, okay, that sounds sweet. What do you think about the placement? How did that look like for you? Because right now the market conditions aren't so good. The placements was a little haywire for a lot of institutes. So, how did yours placement cycle look like, and more of how did the Coca-Cola placement was structured as? What were the rounds looking like?
So at that time, as we told, only the market structure was not at all good. Till now, it's not at all good. Like, I'm working and I'm getting to know about each and everything. So yeah, Coca-Cola rounds were very clear. They took first round was my like, if you can say, my quiz. There was a huge quiz which basically they come with a mindset of taking girls only, because they want to experiment with the girls. Like, see, if I will tell my condition in Bhunveshwar, I'm placed right now. Every colleagues of me, like, I'm having boys only. I'm the first lady in Bhunveshwar. So they were having this mindset, yeah, I want to take girls only. So they first made it very clear that I want to take girls. And there was a quiz. First round there was a quiz. Second, there was a direct interview. And point was like, I was a IMI Kolkata student, and there was in IMI Kolkata, IMI Bhunveshwar students were also present. So 19 students were selected after quiz. Like, quiz after being like, quiz has been done. 19 students, I think, yeah, 19, almost 19 girls being selected for the direct interview. And for my Kolkata, only 2 girls been selected for direct interview. So yeah, yeah. So then they asked few questions in the direct interview, like personal interview. They asked few questions. It was very tricky. Um, First I was thinking, because it was my first interview. I have not given any interview, I have not sit in any placement. Like, this was my first placement, so I was very nervous, and I was having this mindset, okay fine, if Coca-Cola will not select me, I will not be so depressed and so negative about it, because this is my first. So yeah,
Fair enough.
but yeah, so but the interview was very smooth. They supported me, they asked very tricky questions, but they set my mind very clear that if you will enter Coca-Cola, you will be having great experience. They set me in my mind, and I was having this thing ki, yaar, I want to be placed in Coca-Cola. So yeah, these were all the rounds, and then after I think 1 hour, I got a result. In IMA Kolkata, I've been only selected. In IMA Bhubaneswar, one girl selected. She's placed in Ranchi right now.
Okay, awesome. So you said that the interview process was smooth and this was the first interview that you sat for. What kind of
Hmm.
soft skills that were taught at IMI Kolkata did actually help you to, crack the interview?
So actually, AMA Kolkata helped me a lot. They took sessions regarding GD, regarding personal interviews, regarding how we should sit in GD, how we should sit in personal interview, how should be our attire looks like, how should we behave in front of interviewer. We should not smile much. We should be having smiling face. Every little thing they taught us. So they actually helped me a lot. So yeah, I took some sort of sessions also in of GD, but GD, as I said, Coca-Cola have not taken any GD. So
Hmm.
but they have given, like, IMA Kolkata also help in the GD sessions. And the second, they have also helped me how to we should sit in the IMA like personal interviews, how our attire
Hmm.
should look like, how we should walk, like very minute things what we can even not think about it, but IMA Kolkata was already thought about it. So they only thought these little things because they knew कि ये लोग हैं ऐसे कर सकते हैं. So they taught us very
Sounds
clearly.
amazing, yeah. And you did your MBA in marketing and finance, right? So
Hmm.
you had a very clear mindset from the very early beginning of your career that you wanted to get into marketing, wanted to do managerial studies. But a lot of students, or even for that fact, audience that watches this video, are not really sure of the specialization that they want to pursue. What would you suggest them? What are your top three do's and don'ts that you think of while choosing the MBA specialization?
Okay. So yeah, what makes me to choose marketing? Like, see, if I take my example, I was very much sure that I want to be in marketing from my BBA. I was very much sure, but I saw many friends and my students, my friends, they were choosing subjects on the not only on the basis of marks, like what they have scored, because in the first year we have been taught for all the subjects. सो
Of
हम लोग
course.
को ये एक पैटर्न बता दिया जाता है कि ऐसे मार्क्स आएंगे, इतने सॉर्ट ऑफ मार्क्स आने चाहिए, तभी आपको एक सब्जेक्ट मिलेगा. बट डोंट गो विद दिस फ्लो, ठीक है. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माई एग्जाम्पल, आई ओनली स्कोर्ड 7 CGPA. So the CGPA marks doesn't matter. What matter is like how we perform, how is our practical knowledge about it, and how we should grasp things. Like, बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं लिख के आ जाते हैं, और लिख के कैसे आते हैं वो सबको पता है, ठीक है. So
Fair.
बट उसकी प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. फोन लेके जाके लिखना तो मुझे भी आता है, ठीक है, बट उसकी
So
प्रैक्टिकल
this is
नॉलेज. या एंड फाइनेंस अगर आपने जैसे लिया, बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं कि यार मार्केटिंग लूं या फाइनेंस लूं. यार फाइनेंस ऐसे हवे में नहीं ले लेते. इफ यू आर नॉट गुड इन नंबर्स, डोंट टेक फाइनेंस. आई हैव सीन मेनी फ्रेंड्स, they like at the end of the MBA sessions, they were suffering that why they have taken finance. They were not getting
hmm,
perfect job because of their choice of subjects. They have taken that, they thought, okay, finance is a good subject, we can also crack interview, but they were not, because they were not having good practical knowledge, good numbers knowledge, everything. So yeah, so I think you should, first thing I will say, don't go with the marks and all. For go with your practical knowledge, go with your what you are actually grabbing your things in class, what makes you fun in that subject, what makes you interest in that subject. It's a most important thing. Like, see, if I'm interested in marketing, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करना, एक्सप्लोर करना, लोगों को लोगों के बीच में रहना. सो दीज आर वेरी माइन्यूट थिंग्स जो मुझे मार्केटिंग के आसपास जोड़ के रखा. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आई विल से.
That is one very important takeaway, I think. कि people usually are like finance का scope बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो I will just take finance, but they're not actually good with numbers. So please don't do that, guys. If you are interested and inclined towards finance, please make sure that you have practical knowledge. You're good with handling data and numbers, and then go ahead and take that specialization, of course. Um,
आई वेरी सॉरी बट वेरी
no,
मतलब मुझे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक चीज याद आई एंड इट्स बीइंग पॉडकास्टेड लाइक सो आई वांट टू डिस्कस विद मेनी फ्यू मेट्स हु आर लिसनिंग. सी, मैंने एक एग्जांपल देखा है. लोगों का एक माइंडसेट आ जाता था कि आई डोंट वांट टू टेक एचआर. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी नॉर्मल जॉब. दिस इज नॉट अ गुड स्कोप. दे विल नॉट डू दैट. They are not dynamic, they are static, they have this thing in their mind. But I've seen many students, they have taken HR, they did their best, and they are placed in a very good company. So,
right.
and in my college, there was a first placement which held in the field of HR only. फाइनेंस मार्केटिंग सब दूर बैठे थे, आईटी सब दूर बैठा था, एचआर का पहले प्लेसमेंट हो गया था, एंड वो भी
Wow.
11 पैकेज.
Hmm. That is an interesting point. I think IIMI Kolkata sector wise जो placements देता है उसमें भी HR they give due credit and importance to HR sectors as well. So that's a very good plus point. So guys, if somebody is aiming for a college and is looking for good placement, decent placements in HR also, you can look at IIMI Kolkata as an option. Talking about colleges, I'd say that a lot of results have been out recently. IIM CAP का results निकला है, बहुत सारे results आए हैं. A lot of people are confused as to what colleges they should take. What would you suggest? How should they decide which college to take, which shouldn't? Tier 2, Tier 3 confusion बहुत रहता है. And tell me something about that.
इफ आई से कि टीयर 2 और टीयर 3 का कुछ नहीं स्कोप है, ये सब फालतू है, तो ये चीज नहीं है. You should take your time and think about it which college you are going. And the first thing which I will tell how you should choose is that प्लेसमेंट पे सब लोग भागते हैं कि एवरेज पैकेज कितना है इस कॉलेज का. यार वो जो गूगल साइट पे उनके वेबसाइट पे दिखाता है ना, वो आधा फेक होता है. दिस इज अ ट्रू व्हिच आई एम टेलिंग यू. वो फेक होता है, उस पे मत भागो. वो पैकेज प्लेसमेंट पे मत भागो. what subject you are interested, what things, like what mind you're working, like किस तरीके से आप सोच रहे हो, और वो सब्जेक्ट्स उस कॉलेज में कैसा है, यू शुड बी गोइंग विद दैट. ठीक है. बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस एचआर के स्पेशलिस्ट होते हैं, बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस फाइनेंस मार्केटिंग में अच्छे होते हैं. सो यू शुड
Hmm.
चूज कि आपको पता होना चाहिए, यार मैं ना मार्केटिंग में थोड़ा ठीक ठाक हूँ, ये कॉलेज में मार्केटिंग का पैकेज कैसा जाता है, मार्केटिंग के टीचर्स कैसे हैं, टीचर्स कहाँ से क्वालिफाइड है, आईएम्स हैं कि कहाँ से आए, ये सब एक क्राइटेरिया होता है देखने का, विच आई टुक. मैंने देखा था कि IIMI कोलकाता की टीचर्स आर वेरी फाइन, दे हैव दे वेरी गुड बैकग्राउंड, दे विल टॉट मी मार्केटिंग के स्पेशली. सो आई चूज विद दिस कॉलेज. आई गॉट विद दिस मार्केटिंग, मतलब ऑब्वियसली प्लेसमेंट के लिए एक एरा तो आप थोड़ा बहुत तो देखोगे, वो भी एक है, बट उसको ही सिर्फ फैक्टर नहीं बनाना है. ये फैक्टर बनाओ कि आप जिस सब्जेक्ट में थोड़े बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हो उसका स्कोप क्या है, कैसे जा रहा है, वो कॉलेज में कैसे पढ़ाया जा रहा है, टीचर्स कैसे हैं वहाँ के, बिकॉज जो काम करेगा वो टीचर्स, प्लेसमेंट्स कैसा होता है, टीचर्स कैसे हैं, मेरे सब्जेक्ट्स वहाँ पर कैसे हैं, प्रीवियस बैच कैसे निकल रहा है, वहाँ के सर्टिफिकेट्स कैसे होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, उन पे ज्यादा फोकस करो. एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज ओनली टॉक्स अबाउट एमबीए, नॉट ओनली प्लेसमेंट. एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर
Correct.
एक्टिविटीज.
That was a good point. Yeah. How was your experience with the relations to quality of education at IIMI Kolkata?
I discussed earlier also. Teachers were very fine. They were very supportive, especially in the field of marketing. I can, if I'm allowed to speak, I can also name of some teachers, but they were actually very fine. They were very fine. They supported me at the end of the day also. When I was crying, I was not able to. मतलब एक टाइम ऐसा हो गया था कि आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू, मतलब क्या होगा यार, ये क्या है, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. तो मैं रात में भी फोन मिलाती थी. ओके, दे हेल्प मी, एंड स्पेशली इन द मार्केटिंग फाइनेंस. तो टीचर्स वर वेरी सपोर्टिव दे। और वो सिर्फ ना हम लोग को बुक्स की बातें नहीं बताते थे, एक्चुअली वो हम लोग को पिक्चर्स एवरीथिंग सारी चीजें दिखाते रहते थे कि ये हो रहा है मार्केट में, ऐसी बाहर की दुनिया है, ये चीज जो मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ उसका मतलब ये है। तो हम लोग सब विजुअलाइज होकर भी देखते थे कि ओके फाइन, दिस मीनिंग्स दिस। तो हम लोग रिलेट कर पाते थे मार्केटिंग से क्या क्या, इवन
That's huge.
स्टैट्स
That's huge. I think support is something that people and students look forward to a lot. मतलब MBA, ढेर सारी colleges do MBA, but a lot, बहुत कम colleges give you constant support and give you practical knowledge as to the to support the theory that they teach. I think what you've told is an important point that shows how good of quality of education they give. So good enough. It was nice. It was lovely to have been a conversation with you,
Same
Mansi.
here. Same here.
Again, congratulations on
Thank you.
the job. We wish you all the best. And of course, if there'll be any questions related to your profile as such, I'll be directing the questions to you. Other than that, we're good to go. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Isha. It was a great experience. Thank you. Bye bye.